kitchen, peace remains. Hands at work, a gentle smile, every moment slowing time. Simple meals, a heart so true, love in everything we do. From the pot to home's embrace, comfort found in this small space. Welcome home to MonixKitchen and lifestyle, where the world feels soft and light. Every flavor tells a story, every day feels warm and right. Breathe it in, let worries rest. Here the simple things are best. Steam rises with a tender glow, lessons life is teaching slow. Not just food, but care and grace, joy in every gentle pace. No rush here, no need to pretend, just honest moments